This is a tutorial on how to intonate your guitar with a floating tremolo with one of these fancy Red Bishop tools. Um, so here we go. So the guitar is already set up. I have the bridge floating where I need it. Everything is tuned to C sharp right now. So what I'm going to do is show you how to intonate this bridge to this tuning using this tool. You also need a 2.5 millimeter Allen head. I'm using this multi-tool, and a tuner that you can trust. I'm using a Peterson Strobo tuner. It's a clip-on model, to make sure that I get this as accurate as I can. So I'm going to be putting this on top of my headstock here so that I can figure out and read it. I got my pick ready. Now, I like to intonate it while the neck is floating, not being supported or resting on anything. That way you know that it's ready in playing position. So what I'm going to do here first is make sure I am in tune. And yep, my Peterson is showing that I am right dead center of where I need to be. And now, after hitting your open note, you press on your 12th fret to make an octave. And if the tuner moves for me in either direction, no, we're actually pretty good. So next string, you want this to be the same exact tuning as it is open by fretting on your 12th fret. So we won't have to worry about this one. We'll go on to the next string, which is going to be an F sharp. Make sure I'm in tune quick. There it is. Be fretting at the 12th fret. Now my tuner is showing that I'm reading a little high. So that means that I need to lengthen the amount of distance between my nut and my bridge to create a deeper tone, a deeper note. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your Red Bishop tool, and I've already adjusted mine using the back screw to sit flat on your bridge, hooked into the fine tuner and the back of the cavity where the string insert sits. I don't know how well you can see, but it's wrapped around the tuning or the fine tuning machine, and then it locks into place there. So from here you can see that it lines up with the screw and the string above it with a gap there so that you can still get your tool in there. So now what you do is you want to put a little bit of tension on your bridge to dip it. The more you do, the better. It'll slack your string. You'll reach in with your tool. You can see this okay, the bar is in the way, but I need the bar. And I loosen it. As I loosen it, the Red Bishop happened to slip. That sucks. Oops. That's my fault. Okay. Gotta tighten now. Okay, so. Okay, now that it's tightened, what you want to do, since I said to lengthen the amount of space, I'm going to dip the bridge all the way, press down with my index finger on the top, and roll the thumb screw with my thumb to tighten it to the right, clockwise. distance that I think is going to be pretty good to make sure that it pops out at the right tuning. And I'm going to slowly let my bridge down. Tighten this a little bit, just to hold it a little more secure. Let my bridge down, hold it. I'm going to flip it back up while this is in place. And I'm going to make sure that I'm in tune. I'm looking for F sharp. Okay, there's F sharp up top. Now I'm going to fret the 12th fret. And my tuner is reading perfectly in tune right now. So now what we're going to do, since we've achieved what we needed to, I'm going to try to get a different view. I'm dipping the bridge down, and as I have it suspended downwards so the strings are slacked, I'm going to reach in and tighten the red bishop tool. Happened to slip. The bridge didn't. It was already tightened down because I was slick about it earlier. That's a precaution I'm glad I took. Okay, so I'm letting the tension back onto the bridge and taking off the red bishop tool. My bridge is still floating where I need it to be. I'll double check my work. Fretting the 12th fret now, and yep. Oh, hold on. Should be stretching. There we go. They're fresh strings. I just put them on. There we are. Cool. Thank you for being a part of my video.